Well, good morning. Not your typical place to be found. But I forgot you in my car last night. In my glove box. Oh god, I need to clean out my car badly. I'm not gonna show you because I'm not stupid and I know you will judge me. Okay. I just have a lot of trash in my car. Because let's face it, when you are busy, the first thing to go is usually cooking at home or being overly prepared for meals. So when I get busy, eat a lot of fast food, even more than normal. So I've been working in the store a lot this week, or like over the last month or so. And it means that I just haven't been home a whole lot, and so I have eaten out a lot, and now I have a ton of trash in my car. So I'm gonna clean that. I'm like literally still in my nightgown, in my winter coat, in my driveway, and it's like 8:30 in the morning, I think, or earlier. Like, the sun is not even all the way up. Look at that. The sun is not even all the way up. So, I'm gonna collect the garbage out of my car. And then I'll go inside and make some breakfast. Alright, my camera is fogged up because it sat outside in my car all night, so I think it's going to take some time to reclimatize to the warmth. So I'm just getting breakfast. I have an English toffee cappuccino, some toast and peanut butter, and I'm watching Kara Nate. Which is one of my favorite YouTube channels of all time. Alright, I'm just gonna eat my breakfast and finish watching this video and probably watch more, and then I have to probably by then rotate laundry. I haven't done laundry for 2 weeks and I need to wash all of my clothes basically because I've worn them all. And my bedding and my dog's bed, which she hates when I do that. I have to put her in her crate sometimes when I do it because, I don't put her in her crate really ever. But I have to put her in because she paces, because there's nowhere for her to sit down and hang out. And I don't have I do have an extra bed actually. I could probably put that in there. But the cat's been sleeping in it. So I don't know. Anyway, just thinking out loud, as my mom would say. So I've got to get all that done, but I also have to build almost an entire website today. So because I'm making a Squarespace site for a client, and I have barely started, and it needs to be up before the new year. And yes, if I just sit down and spend 6 hours on it straight, it will get done. But there's always issues you run into and things you need and stuff like that, and she's busy. Yeah, so I need to get her site going. It needs to be done. So I'll be working all day today on that. Tomorrow I work in the store from 9 until 2. And what else? Well, tomorrow's Christmas Eve, so today's the 23rd. Got an email this morning that my ad payout had finally been released, which I'm hoping, fingers crossed, it gets deposited to my account tomorrow, because I kind of need it to pay my car payment on the 25th and my car insurance on the 27th. Look at this cutie patootie. She does not like being held like this, but she really likes her tummy scratched. Don't you, Zoe? See? She does not like it. If it's not her idea, she's not into it. Oh, I sneezed and she came running to make sure I was okay. This is my mom's new dog. When her other one passed away. Well, I mean, she died. She really missed the company, and so she got Zoe here, and she's much more, how do you say, rambunctious. She's very, she's like a Pomeranian mixed with, I can't remember what, but she's quite grumbly, and she does what she wants when she wants it. Is full of personality, and has figured out how to go up and down the stairs, so we have to leave a gate at the top of the stairs now. Aren't ya? Yeah. Her tag, she wasn't wearing a tag before because she didn't need one, but I got her one at the store that says, well, you won't be able to see it. I'll have to get a picture of it. It says adorable fluff ball of love, but she's more bitey than anything. So yes, just thought you would enjoy. She does this before she chews on you. So she tenderizes you, and then she bites. Yeah, bud. Yeah. Are you licking peanut butter off my face? Thank you. Do you want to get down now that you know I'm not dead? Yeah? You don't like that noise, huh? Sometimes I buy my dog a Christmas present, but seeing as she doesn't really understand and is kind of scared of wrapping paper, like, look at her. She has been sitting here staring at me since I started wrapping and has been like nervously wandering around. I didn't really want to get her something that she wouldn't like. Plus she has a ton of toys and she's got treats. I think my mom bought her a present. So I did not get her a present, which sounds weird just in the idea of getting your dog a present, but yeah, I didn't get her one. Okay, I need to go get my computer, set it all back at my desk, and get to work. Well, that's a look. That's better. So I stumbled onto Twitter, as you do, and I follow this account that is a local traffic account. They don't post any like ride programs like drinking checks, stuff like that, or speed trap type things. What they do post is some sass and then accident and traffic updates. And I'm gonna read you this tweet and you're gonna be like, what? So it says, caution, report of a pig wandering down Highway 2 near traffic circle, has a collar on it, so it looks like it's someone's pet. So what I'm reading in this is that someone has a pet pig that wears a collar and is now on the run. Maybe they realized they were about to be dinner. I don't think that's likely, but I don't know. I just want it to be called Wilbur, you know, or Babe. One of those awesome nicknames for a pig. But like, seriously, how does your pig get out? Why do you have a pig? So the power just went out in my house for like 10 seconds, not even. But now there's no internet. It hasn't come back on yet. I don't know, it takes up forever to reconnect. Oh, nowhere near done. What I needed to do today. So you remember when I said the power had gone out? Just like a 10-second flash of no power. And since then, I've gotten very little Wi-Fi to my computer here. And it's been hours, okay, sitting in this specific spot. And it's not worked. I'll probably have to reset the Wi-Fi, but it's like 10 p.m. now. I'm going to bed. And I'm going to take my computer with me tomorrow to the store and work there. Because I did not get enough done here. I'm just packing up my stuff. Yeah, I did not get really anything done like I was supposed to. And tomorrow's Christmas Eve. So I don't know how busy the store will be. I have got all my laundry done though. Haven't got to make my bed or put my sheets on. But my laundry is done. I did 4 loads of laundry today. All of my sheets, I'm sorry guys, I'm tired. All of my clothes, my dog's bed, which was disgusting and is in the dryer right now. And she's mad at me because she has to sleep in a temporary bed, one that I like was hers before, but it's now a cat bed. And she doesn't like that the cat is sat in it, and so she doesn't want to sit in it. Anyway, so I also decided the other day I was using my new bullet journal, or the one I thought I was going to use for the year, and it was kind of expensive, but I've realized that I hate it. I don't like it. It has a soft cover, and I think that is the problem. All I've had is issues with trying to draw lines, and I'm not liking how it looks. So I ordered a new one today that'll be delivered tomorrow because I paid extra for it to show up. I'm so like, why would I do that? What's wrong with waiting until the 27th for it to show up? But nope, I wanted it tomorrow. There was also something else I ordered with it. Oh, a metal ruler. Yeah, that's what it was, for bullet journaling with like stencils and lines and measurements and stuff. Yeah, so I ordered that, and then I ordered I'm sorry, I don't mean to yawn this much, and I know someone complained about it before, but I'm just tired, and it's what you do when you're tired, and probably when you're thirsty, and lots of other things. Anyway, I ordered some stuff off of Studio Calico. They're like a planner journaling company that I've been following on Instagram, and their stuff looks really good. I've never bought anything from them. I'll link them below if you're interested and you're a planner junkie like me and like a stationery junkie. Yeah. Last week I ordered a new content planner for 2020. This was the first opportunity I've had a chance to buy one because they're quite pricey. And I want to get it. I'm hoping it comes this week, like later in the week. I'll probably have to pay customs fees on it. Shit. Yeah. So I'm waiting for that to come in so that I can get all my stuff set up for 2020. But on Sunday, the 29th, I just signed up to take a goal setting workshop or a webinar my friend Amanda is putting on. She is the one who puts on the organizes the networking dinners I go to every month. So she's doing a live webinar on the 29th, and I'm gonna attend. I already bought my ticket. It was 10 bucks. Worth it, because we had a little brainstorming session last week at Starbucks, and really talked about, like, I know that she's one of those, like, go-getter type people where she sets her mind to something and then she makes it happen, and so she will help you set your goals. So I'll link the Eventbrite as well in the description here, if you guys want to sign up, because there's pretty limited spots, but you don't have to be in our area. It's done entirely by webinar, so over like chat and whatever. I'm not sure what program she's using, but yeah, so you don't have to be around, and even if you can't come, like you can't watch it live, you will get the replay of it. So, or at least I think that's what she's trying to do, especially because it'll be in the evening here. So if you're based in the UK and you don't want to stay up that late to watch it, you can get the replay. So I will link it if you're interested. I'm pretty excited for that, because I'm just like chomping at the bit to get into 2020 and start doing things. I just want to wrap up this final like client project, and I know this will continue a bit into 2020, but with some other little things, but I just want to get my content going, and my phone is reminding me it's bedtime because I need to be up at 7 a.m. So I'm pretty excited about all that. I encourage you, if you are really just struggling, or you know, make goals and never really get them done, take the class with me. It really is a very small financial commitment, but it's enough to like trigger you into going, I'm gonna do this. Pay money for this. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna sign up. Like, I'm gonna get this stuff done. Thanks so much for watching. I know this was very boring and a lot of me just ranting to the camera. Everything's linked in the description if you're interested in Studio Calico, Amanda, the goal setting workshop, anything else I talked about, it'll be linked. If it's not, leave me a comment and I will get the link for you. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section and I will try and answer them back. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!